In Dynamics 365 project operations, the type of project that you create for a project contract determines the method that you use to. Is it true? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. We lend Dynamics 365 human resources to our employees for the purpose of ensuring that workers can independently assess their own performance against set goals. What should you direct workers to focus on? A. Compensation management page. B. Employee self-service workspace. C. Performance goals page. D. Personnel management page. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Employee self-service workspace feature allows employees to document their performance directly through tools like performance dashboards, tracking progress, and reviewing key indicators, ensuring they can manage their work relative to goals within the company. A company is being used by Dynamics 365 project operations for a project implementation. An internal project involving 3 different organizations requires billing standards to be established. Functionality needs to be implemented to split project invoicing, and the appropriate project component should be chosen. A. Invoicing. B. Expenses. C. Budgets. D. Contracts. E. Subcontracts. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. In Dynamics 365 project operations, the expenses component allows for the management of costs associated with a project, including the capability to handle split billing. With Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, we can initiate new production based on demand, open orders, and historical trends, as well as take into consideration the time to manufacture and ship product to customers. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, you can. We employ Dynamics 365 project operations within the central mode of its software implementation. You define the team members for the project. Each team member must be assigned to specific tasks. Team member time must be displayed as used. We need to delegate a task coordinator. What should we set as the delegate? A. Resource manager. B. Team member. C. System. D. Project manager. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. In Dynamics 365 Central Mode, delegation of tasks requires a resource manager who has direct access to the team member, ensuring they can manage their specific roles and tasks efficiently. We implement Dynamics 365 Finance. We need assistance in identifying email integration capabilities for our documents. What are 2 valid use cases where Dynamics 365 Finance documents are shared with customers via email integration? A. The company emails invoices to customers after their hotel stay. B. Customers negotiate prices for hotel reservations with company agents by using their personal email addresses. C. A customer registers a complaint online regarding their stay at any of the company's hotels. D. The company sends statements to customers based on request. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. While customer complaints are important, they are typically handled through dedicated customer service channels and do not directly involve sharing Dynamics 365 finance documents. And sending statements to customers is a valid use case. It is not specifically related to email integration. Statements can be shared through various channels, not necessarily limited to email. We are implementing expense management capabilities in Dynamics 365 Finance. We can configure the system to use workflows for reviews of cash advance requests. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. With Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection, Clodaware can create decision rules to determine which accounts are considered safe, which should be watched, and which should be blocked. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, you can. We must analyze the frequency, number, and types of calls received at their customer support center in order to ensure accurate visibility. What should you recommend? A. Data Manager. B. Relationship Analytics. C. Customer Service Insights. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Customer Service Insights is broad and covers all metrics like satisfaction and retention. With Dynamics 365 Commerce, you can create separate payment methods and price groups for each retail store channel. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. True, as separate payment methods and price groups can be configured per retail channel to suit specific sales strategies. Not forget to like and subscribe.